Hi. So you've got your project plan, be it for your data migration, your reporting project, or your AI project. But you need to know, where is that data coming from? What are your data sources? So the first part and the first milestone in the project is to determine those data sources and record those for reference. So to record your data source inventory, use whatever tool makes you comfortable. I've mentioned it before. There's PDFs, Excel, pen and paper. Data projects, they tend to be iterative. So you'll record a source, and then when you go through the processes, you may find you have to supplement those sources with other sources because the data is not there. The data source inventory is basically just a list of the different system names or software that hold the data that you're going to put into your migration. And you'll record things like the system name, the system type, the version number, maybe any categorization that you like to apply to that, such as accounts or finance records or reports. And also, crucially, you align those with processes that are carried out and then how critical those processes are for your business. And also, very importantly, you should assign an owner to that. I also like to do an export assessment. So I look at each set of records that I need to export, and I like to see how easy are they to get out of the system. Is it a manual export? Is it going to be via API? Is it coming through some other resource to access the data? So a record, is it sort of easy, moderately hard, or hard? How long is it? Literally in the amount of time. So carry out an export and time it. How often is that data updated? Is it hourly, by minute, by day? And the total size of that record set. And then when you have a whole load of records, you get a total size. You can get an estimate of the total time it's going to take you to physically move that data out of the system. And that can be invaluable for your go live project planning. So definitely hold your data source inventory as a key document for your data project. Once you've recorded your data source inventory, you need to assess that quality of data. And that is step 2 of the Flow7 Migration System.